Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So you can see performance stands slow here. Actually, as in other markets across the board, this market's coming to the Christmas holidays. So Forex Peace Army wish you to have the great happy holiday. This will be three days, that's great, as well as on the actual New Year's Day. So tomorrow we will not make any videos, so it makes no sense to provide any updates on Christmas, but we prepare as usual the weekly report as we do every time. So since performance stands not really very impressive, we actually need only intraday charts to discuss the price action, what really could happen. So because recently market is forming day by day inside session. So take a look. High wave, it was 2 days before it was inside one. Yesterday it's also almost inside one, except this minor spike here. And currently it's also will be probably the inside session. Based on our discussion yesterday, we said that here market has some bearish signs, bearish features that suggest that probably we should get some another downward continuation. Currently it's difficult to say how deep it will be, but it seems that the 1845, 1850 area could be reached easily by the price action, because here was clear wash and rinse, reversal swing down, acceleration here and here with the downward action. That suggests some downward continuation. Besides, as you can see here and on the hourly chart, that price upward action is very slow. There's no significant acceleration, very choppy, and that makes us think that we stand just in a minor pullback. So if you intend to go short, what particular moments you need to keep an eye on? So yesterday we discussed the targets, and targets mostly based are on this A, B, C top pattern to the downside, right, and potential butterfly that we discussed here. Yesterday we said that market could move slightly higher, closer to this 1886 area, this B point today, to form the right wing, and that could be good opportunity to go short, because you will be able to open the position with the nearest standing stop, because currently, as you can see, overall upward action is significant, and market come close to invalidation point of potential butterfly and downward action. Here, in fact, we have some kind of the pennant pattern. It's forming triangle pattern. That potential is also bearish continuation pattern. In general, taking a look at the short-term bearish context, if you intend to go short, you need to take into consideration this level. So this is 1887. OP target of the potential ABC bottom pattern. Currently, from this situation, it's not quite clear whether market will reach this area or not. But this area is a strong resistance. It includes the OP in agreement with the 618 level. Creates significant resistance, and that is an area that could be used as the, well, some level where you could hide your stop above this area, because at the first touch of this level probably we will get some minor pullback at least. And if you intend to go short, that's the level to consider, because above this level it's better to place the stop, because if you will place stop closer, market still could keep the short context, bearish context, while you will be just out on possible upward continuation to the OP. Breaking of the OP, it will be crucial moment for a short-term bearish sentiment, because market should not do this. If it will happen, it tells you that the mood is changing on the market, and hardly we will get downside continuation. Especially because the 618 pullback already has happened here. You can see collapse, 618 pullback right to this level, and then market turns in some consolidation. More logical to suggest downward breakout, but still, if some effort in upward continuation will happen, it might be ABCD retracement to the 1887. That in turn will give you potential gutless triple to sell pattern as well, which also could be used for position taking. So here you have few options. So you could try to take the position somewhere inside the pennant with the placing stop above this area, or sit on the hands and wait. If market will complete the OP, then think again about taking the short position when this will happen. But the problem here is that we do not know with certainty that this will happen, because downward action could continue right from here. Actually, around the COP, the same stuff could happen as in the follow time frame chart. You can see minor grabbing of the stop, wash and rinse, and market could start dropping. Actually, this we have seen already right here. COP, minor breakout, and downward action has happened. So maybe you could split your position, but this choice is up to you. So currently, we do not see any bullish signs. So we think that currently is not good situation for taking any long position. For taking the short position, we think that currently it's better to not be aimed on some extended targets. It's better to focus on near standing target. Near one is 1845, 1850. For position taken, we already have discussed everything. So either here, or the market will complete the OP, or use the combination of both of these scenarios. So that's what we have on the gold, and let's see what will happen.